gonna make another video today. This is what I'm going to do, but today I gotta sharpen the lawnmower blades again. So, swing the floor, I'm gonna be laying on. Wright lawnmower. All right, so we're gonna sharpen the blades on this bad boy. Most people, take this little piece off right here. Where we're just sharpening the blades today. We're just going to pop this thing off right here so that we can access the blade bolt. And then we'll do the same thing to the other side. It is good every now and then to take these off, just because you get some buildup back in there with grass and stuff. Not a big deal as far as taking it off every single time. Yeah, we get a little grass in there, but honestly, we don't get that much in there. The way we mow lawns, as far as, you don't get a lot of grass blowing up and over the deck into there. So, yeah. But before we do any of that, we're going to get started with one of these. Wait for it. Oh yeah. That's the stuff right there. Alright, so those who know me, I'm a Red Bull fan. I'd rather have Red Bull any day. But today, this NOS was the only thing in my fridge. So I gotta go buy some more Red Bull. Yeah, I like to switch it up too. I like NOS. I don't like that new stuff, Bang, Energy. Ugh, makes it, just weird, just makes my tummy feel weird. But here we go. Grab our tools. Now, you're going to be wanting a 15, 16 inch wrench. So 15/16 wrench, socket. I use my socket here, wrench down here. Break it loose, take it off. Now I hold on to this nut on the top so that I don't lose it down in this repeat the process for the other two on your 52. So, another thing I do is when I get my blades sharpened, I like to rotate them. So, take this one, put it right here, take this one, move it on down the line, then the final one, move over to this side. Just like that. Rotate them. So this is my little makeshift sharpening table. I do it outside the garage. But you can tell those blades, they're not too bad. They're got a little rust on them from 2 days. Today's Sunday. I didn't mow yesterday. Well, I didn't mow Friday either because of the weather, but yeah. Actually, I went and worked Friday. I just didn't mow any lawns, but yeah. Look how fast that rust builds up. It was really wet, rainy. This week was horrible. All right, so glasses. Get your glasses. Gloves. Get your gloves. Safety first, people. Safety first. I don't know how well you can see this, but all right, let's check it out. It's a pretty good looking blade right there. The other side doesn't look so good, so we're gonna sharpen it up, but yeah, that's the gist of it. So I'm gonna take my gloves off here. That's how I sharpen, the blades. But what we'll do is I'll continue that process on all the blades, and then we're gonna mow our lawn. I'll make a separate video on that as far as mowing the lawn goes. But yeah, repeat that process on all your blades. You should be good. Sharpen them regularly. It gives a nice clean cut. Sometimes, sometimes you get busy. Maybe you don't sharpen them. Us little companies, we don't got a mechanic or somebody who does it for us. So we're doing this stuff on the weekends or after work. It takes a lot of time. So, not a lot of time, just extra work, obviously, after our, 10, 12-hour days. Or some of us work sun up to sundown. So, regardless, sharpen those blades, gives it a nice clean cut. I'll show you the before and after on my yard. It's been a little while since I've been so busy, since I've mowed mine, that it's starting to seed, and it's just, yeah, we'll show it. All right, so don't forget, like and subscribe, comment, just hit that like button for the fun of it. Even if you don't like it, even if you do like it. If you dislike it, hit the dislike button. I don't care, helps us out. Share our channel. We're gonna do a lot of crazy things here. Not crazy, I mean, we're not, we're not dumb people, but yeah, we're just gonna have fun on this channel. I'll do some mowing, fix some stuff, mechanics, how to, backyard mechanic at that. Maybe adventure with the children on Sundays, take my wife out. We always go cruising in the Jeep. So anyways, yeah, it's not just lawn care. So if you're here just for lawn care, stick around. Check out some of my other videos. You might like us. So, like and subscribe. Hit that notification bell so you get notified when I put a new video.